Hey everyone, today we have a package from Qiyi, and this should be the Galaxy version 2, so let's get into it. Big thanks to Rex and Qiyi for sending this out to me, and here it is. Okay. First off, it definitely feels smaller than the version 1, which people have been saying. Yep. And let's give it some first turns. So it definitely feels a lot smoother than the version 1 right out of the box. The version 1 was pretty sandy. It also seems to be more stable than the version 1. Yeah, it definitely seems not to flex as much. Okay. I guess we can do a scramble and a solve real quick. Here we go. There we go. So this is most likely going to become my main. It already feels quite a bit better than my V1, which is kind of dying out. But I should have some solves out shortly, as well as some more thoughts on it. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching.